Hello, this is Boyce with 5280 Software LLC, and today I'm going to talk about 3 things to do to boost your website conversion rate. The first thing you can do to boost your website conversion rate is make sure your website is mobile friendly. This is super important these days. Google will actually penalize you if your website is not mobile optimized when it comes to SEO status. So make sure your website is mobile optimized, because also about half the website traffic these days is from mobile devices. So you need to make sure your website is a responsive design. How your website responds to various screen sizes and resolution highly depends on the CMS or platform sources you choose. There's a lot of plugins for WordPress that will help make your site more mobile optimized. So this is the most important thing to boost your website conversion rate. The second thing you can do to boost your website conversion rate is have fewer choices or options. These days, modern website design is about simplicity and minimalism. So organize your content that customer moves from one product or service to the next in logical sequence. In case you have multiple products or services to display, it's best to display a few and allow the user to continue to search through the available filters on your website. On the analytics side, you can view your analytics and see what pages or product pages are performing the best. And by using this information, you should choose the ones that are performing the best and put them on the first page of your website or easy to find. And for each product or service, try to list 3 key benefits of the product or service. The last and third final way to boost your website conversion rate is optimize your website navigation. So most buyers these days tend to go out to look online about a product or service before they decide to purchase. So you need to provide easy access to essential information, and the best way to do this is by optimizing your navigation system and sitemap. Also, a really good rule when it comes to websites is the 3-click rule. So basically, from the time the user enters your website, it should be no more than 3 clicks to get them to the point where they can buy the product. This rule ensures that visitors get access to what they want in not more than 3 clicks of the mouse. So if you're looking to build a website or need help updating your current website, feel free to visit 5280software.net or give us a call at 888-510-0833. Thank you.